bought my dad a foldable wheelchair online last year. Huge mistake. It arrived heavy, the battery died in 2 hours, and folding it felt like wrestling a bear. Well, you know how frustrating it is when mobility gear actually limits your freedom. Finding a chair that is truly portable and reliable is a nightmare of misleading specs, but I have spent the last month testing the top models out there to find out which ones actually deliver. Stick around. Also, I've tagged all the exact products we talked about right here in the video, so you can easily check them out. Superpi Model P2. I mean, on paper, this chair looks like exactly what you need for everyday travel. The frame is built to be lightweight, which definitely catches your attention when you are scrolling through options online. It folds down reasonably well, and the initial setup process out of the box did not require a degree in engineering. You just unfold it, attach the joystick, and you are pretty much ready to roll. But here's what matters when you actually take it out into the real world. The motor power just feels a bit lacking the moment you hit an incline or uneven pavement. I took this down a standard sidewalk that had some slight bumps and roots pushing up the concrete, and the chair hesitated. You really have to push the joystick and wait for it to catch up. It gets you from point A to point B on flat surfaces, but any sort of challenge leaves it struggling. The seating cushion is another area where things fall short for me. It looks plush in the photos, but after sitting in it for about 45 minutes, you start feeling the frame underneath. If you're planning to use this all day at a theme park or a long family outing, you're going to need an aftermarket cushion. That's just an extra expense you should not have to deal with right out of the gate. Battery life is decent, but again, it drops significantly if you're not on perfectly smooth ground. Number 5. Pride Mobility Jazzy Carbon Electric Wheelchair. Pride is a huge name in mobility, so my expectations were pretty high when I first got my hands on this one. The carbon fiber frame is genuinely impressive. It is incredibly light, making it a breeze to lift into the trunk of a sedan. You know, when a company says a chair is lightweight, they usually exaggerate, but the Jazzy Carbon actually delivers on that front. The joystick control is highly responsive, almost to a fault. It takes a very light touch to maneuver, which is great for tight indoor spaces. Getting around corners in a narrow hallway or navigating a crowded living room is where this chair truly shines. The turning radius is phenomenal, and you really feel in control when you are navigating cramped environments. However, let me explain where the frustration sets in. Despite the premium carbon fiber build, the ride quality outdoors is surprisingly stiff. The suspension, or lack thereof, means you feel absolutely every single crack in the sidewalk. I took this over some standard brick paving, and the vibration traveling up through the seat was genuinely uncomfortable. For a chair in this price bracket, you expect a smoother ride. Another thing that bugged me is the folding mechanism. Yes, it folds, but the latch system feels a bit flimsy. You have to wiggle it sometimes to get it to lock securely in place. When you're paying a premium price, you want the folding action to feel solid and secure, not like you have to force it. It just lacks that premium finishing touch. 4. Porto Mobility Ranger Quattro Ultra Electric Wheelchair. Here's what matters right away. This thing is a powerhouse. When I unboxed it, I could immediately tell it was built for people who want to spend their time outside. The frame feels incredibly sturdy, giving you an immediate sense of safety and stability. Unlike the previous models, I did not feel any flex or wobble when getting in and out of the seat. The dual motors on this model completely changed the game. I took the Ranger Quattro up a fairly steep driveway and it did not even flinch. You know that anxiety you get when you approach a hill in an electric wheelchair? That completely disappears with this unit. It powers through grass, gravel, and uneven terrain without that terrifying hesitation you get with weaker motors. It truly feels like an all-terrain vehicle. Comfort is vastly improved here as well. The seating area is wide and the padding is thick enough to actually support you for a full day of use. I spent 3 hours running errands in this chair and never felt the need to shift my weight around to relieve pressure. The armrests flip up easily, making side transfers simple and straightforward. The folding mechanism is entirely manual but very intuitive. You pull a release cable and the whole thing collapses into a neat, manageable package in about 3 seconds. It is heavier than the Carbon models, sure, but the trade-off for that extra power and stability is totally worth it. Getting it into an SUV is manageable, especially considering how much performance it packs. 3. Aotedor folding electric wheelchairs. I was honestly surprised by how much value this chair brings to the table. Right away, you notice the design is sleek and modern. It does not look like a piece of hospital equipment, which is a huge plus in my book. The frame has a premium finish, and the overall aesthetic is something you actually feel good riding in. Let me explain why this one ranked so high for me. The balance between weight and durability is nearly perfect. It utilizes an aviation-grade aluminum frame, so it is light enough to lift into a car trunk independently, but it feels incredibly solid underneath you. When I tested it on a slightly uneven dirt path at the park, the chair maintained a steady, smooth trajectory without shaking me to the core. The dual batteries are a massive selling point. You know how stressful range anxiety can be. With the Aotedor, you get an impressive travel distance that easily covers a full day of sightseeing or theme park hopping. I rode it around the neighborhood for hours and the battery indicator barely moved. Knowing you have that much juice left totally changes how you plan your day. The control system is another major win. The joystick is intuitive and allows for smooth acceleration rather than a jerky, sudden start. It also features electromagnetic brakes that stop the chair smoothly and safely the moment you let go of the joystick. 2. Wishilo S7 SUV-inspired electric wheelchair mobility scooter 2-in-1. Well, the name alone sets a high bar, and I have to say, it absolutely lives up to the SUV title. This thing is a visual standout. It has these large, aggressive rear tires that look like they belong on a rugged off-road vehicle. From the moment I sat in it, I felt like I could conquer literally any terrain. The ride comfort is on another level. It features an advanced shock absorption system that absolutely eats up bumps, cracks, and gravel. I purposely drove this over a patchy, broken sidewalk that would have rattled the first 2 chairs on this list to pieces, and the S7 just glided over it. The suspension actively works to keep the seat level and smooth, which is a game changer if you have back pain. What really makes this unit special is the 2-in-1 versatility. It handles like a nimble wheelchair in tight indoor spaces, but powers through outdoor obstacles like a heavy-duty scooter. Usually you have to choose between indoor maneuverability and outdoor power. The S7 somehow manages to give you both. The transition from rolling through a grocery store aisle to driving over a grassy park field is completely effortless. The battery capacity and motor torque are exceptional. It tackles steep inclines with zero hesitation. The seating is luxurious, featuring high-density foam that contours to your body. Plus, the folding mechanism is surprisingly compact for a chair with this much hardware. Robooter E60 Pro electric wheelchair. I have tested dozens of mobility devices over the years, and this one genuinely feels like a leap into the future. The design is breathtakingly modern. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie with clean lines, integrated lighting, and a minimalist aesthetic that completely redefines what a wheelchair should look like. Here is what matters most. The omnidirectional wheels on this chair are pure magic. Let me explain. Instead of standard front casters that get stuck in cracks or struggle to turn, the E60 Pro uses specialized wheels that allow it to turn perfectly on a dime and navigate tight spaces with zero friction. I tested this in a tiny, cluttered living room, and it spun completely around in its own footprint effortlessly. The smart connectivity is simply phenomenal. It pairs directly with your smartphone, allowing you to check battery status, adjust driving modes, and even remote control the chair. You know, being able to drive the empty chair over to your bed or couch using your phone is a level of independence that is hard to put a price on. It is an incredibly thoughtful feature that works flawlessly in practice. Comfort and outdoor performance are equally impressive. The intelligent suspension system adapts to the terrain, providing an incredibly smooth ride, whether you're on carpet, pavement, or grass. The motors are whisper quiet, but incredibly powerful. When you hit the throttle, the acceleration is perfectly tuned, smooth, predictable, and totally secure. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.